All right, so you just built yourself a brand new computer, and there's a few steps you still need to take. One, you need to install Windows. And to do that, I have plenty of videos demonstrating on how to do that. Second, you need to do all your updates, which I've demonstrated that also. But third, you actually need to go ahead and purchase yourself a Windows key and activate the Windows. Now, there's quite a few websites you can get Windows from, a bunch of different places. You could pay top dollar, you know, $100, $200 for a key, or you could go to a site like SCD Key and purchase one for about $20, $25, and they're totally legit. Anyway, that's where I get my keys from, but I want to show you how to go ahead and check to make sure yours does need one. And I mean, more than likely, if you bought a brand new system and you just put it together, you're going to need one. But if you purchased one, like a computer from somebody else, or you got a used motherboard or something like that, you want to check to make sure it's not activated before you go ahead and purchase one first. That way, you're not causing yourself a lot of money and headache trying to figure it all out. So I'm going to show you where to check it and then install it, but don't share your keys with anybody. Just an FYI. So stay right there. All right, so let's get over to the computer, and I'm going to show you where to check it and then install one if you need one. All right, grab your mouse and come down here to the start button. Let's do a click. Let's go up here to settings and then come over here to system right here at the top. Let's go all the way down to the bottom where it says about. And so this is a new built system for me, and I have not added a key to this one. And we can see right down here, it says product key and activation. Click on that, and right here it says activation state, not active. So what does that mean? We need to change the product key. So we go ahead and click here to change the product key. This is where you're going to take that product key that's I forgot how many digits. I don't count them all out. I think maybe like 20 digits, 17 digits. I don't know. I can't remember. But anyway, take that long digit and input it into there verbatim, and then click next, and then you're going to be active. I promise. As long as you buy a legit key, you're going to be active. And if you get it from a site like I said, the SCD Key website, then if you ever had a problem with that, go ahead and contact them. They're going to take care of you. But anyway, I've purchased quite a few of them from them already. But I'm going to go ahead and put mine in it and then show you how it looks when it's active. All right, so you should get a window that looks exactly like that where it says activate Windows. By activating Windows, you get the best experience free from interruptions. Yay. Okay, let's activate it because I just put my key in, I click next. This is the screen we get. So let's click next. And there we go. Windows is active. So that's it right there. And now you no longer have that. See where it says right up there, activation state, active. It went from that red or orange to now a green checkbox. And we have our license. We no longer have any watermark down there, not like I did anyway, but it usually takes a few days to a week to acquire that watermark down at the bottom, but you will eventually get it. And it's just annoying. It's not that you can't do what you need to do. You can still get online. You still get all your security updates and updates for Windows, so that doesn't change. It's just very annoying. And you lose a few functionalities and customizability features within Windows if you don't activate it. So anyway, that's how you do it. A pretty simple process, and you can get them really cheap on that website. I will put that link for that website down below. Go ahead and check them out. It's not an affiliate. I'm not sponsoring their video, or they're not a sponsor of this video. Just letting you know how to get something really, really cheap. And yeah, so that's all I got to say about that. But now this little guy, this little friend of mine, is now active, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, leave your comments down below. If you feel very talkative, go ahead and give this thing a thumbs up just to keep that algorithm, if there is even an algorithm. Maybe it's all in our heads. And just to show your love and support, please. And Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell icon next to the subscription button to get notified for any future videos that I do post. Whew. And until next time, take care.